Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Lucrative Study here, and today we're going to go through a couple of different jobs. This was a deck. Obviously it's not a deck no more, it's knocked down. Went to go pick this up in Sykesville, Maryland. They put it in two big nice piles for us. We went and got I believe this is a 15-foot U-Haul. Kind of wish I'd have got a 20-foot so we wouldn't have took so long to pack it up, but still wasn't that long, only about 2 hours. I gotta find something to complain about. Here's my partner right here, filling it up halfway. I really need to take somebody with me to actually record this stuff for us, because I think the video will come out a lot smoother. But as you can see, we went and got everything up, packed it all into the U-Haul. I got a nice Tesla right now. Packed it all into the U-Haul. See my partner truck over there. And after this, it's time to go to the dump. We made it to the dump. Finally, that guy was a little bit too close with that machinery, y'all. Almost hit my truck, and it ain't even my truck. So, yeah, here goes some tires. Someone illegally dumped these. If you in the Maryland area, you know you can't even, you can't dump tires for free. So, someone may have came here later on in the night and dumped these at a property, because they know they had to pay for them. Went and picked them up. This is early Thursday morning. Went and got those, stuffed them in a 10-foot box truck along with the couch that was there. Leave in the comments, how many tires do you think it is? Went and got this bathroom demo. Knocked that out in 10 minutes. Put that load all in with the same other load, so I didn't waste too much time. Got another load that was right down the street. I didn't record it, but I went and dumped that first one, not with the tires, but I went and dumped the couch and the other debris. And now that's gone. And I went and packed that into the U-Haul. It was a beautiful day out there this day. Yeah, got it all on there, and it's time to go back to the dump. As you can see, the tire's still on there. And after we did that, went to the dump and got it all done. Thank y'all for watching. No Boundaries junk removal. Let's get it.